Do you want to make Snapchat dark mode? You can enable dark mode on Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To enable dark mode on Snapchat, first, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you are on Snapchat, go to your profile by tapping on the Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, you are on your profile page. Tap on the setting icon in the top right corner to open settings. Here you will see different options. Scroll down and find the app appearance. Now, tap on app appearance. A new screen appears with 4 different options: match system, always light, always dark, and custom app theme. From here, tap on always dark to enable dark mode on Snapchat. A confirmation pop-up menu appears. Tap on the Restart Now button to activate dark mode in your Snapchat application. Once you select it, Snapchat will switch to dark mode immediately.